What's up, y'all? It's Justin Vineyard, Josh Vineyard. I'm about to bust out a beatbox. I'm about to bust out I'm about to bust out a beatbox. Alright. Here we hear that beat. Pop it on the mic like dropping every day and night, cause I'm chopping like it's hot, cause I'm popping like hot as snot. Josh Vineyard, boy, you think I'm good? Cause I living in the hood, to the wood, to the vine, every time. 3 times 3 equals 9, that's so divine. Ho ho, playing with my friend, Call of Duty, every day until the end. Phillies hats on every day, I'm a beast. People call me gay, but I'm not. When a rap pops out snot, I just know you're stupid. You look like one of my bros, you're dumb. Suck your own thumb, man, you look stupid. And you don't have no tan. Can't stop me, I wanna do, cause I'm the best, I wanna do. And I looked Asian right there, but I'm not Asian. I'm a cutie pie.